Huawei Technology's latest smartphone clearly demonstrates wireless speeds akin to Apple's latest iPhones in numerous tests as more details emerge about a gadget labeled a Chinese breakthrough despite U.S. tech sanctions. Testing by Bloomberg News of Huawei's new $900 plus flagship model shows bandwidth similar to other 5G phones. That aligned with blog posts and videos on Chinese social media claiming the device came with 5G capabilities. The gadget, which went on sale this week without the typical fanfare of a product launch, fanned patriotic fervor as it was seen to represent China's ability to get around U.S. sanctions. Shenzhen-based Huawei has been at the center of intensifying U.S. trade curbs on Chinese businesses, which American officials say are based on national security concerns. The Mate 60 Pro achieved speeds in excess of 350 MBPS in testing on China Mobile Network in Hong Kong. Videos posted to the Weibo social service showed the handset approaching 1 GBPS. What Bloomberg Intelligence says, Huawei's new 5G chip, which powers its newly released Mate 60 smartphone, is likely fabricated by SMIC. This marks a milestone in China's semiconductor progression. Yet we expect limited financial uplift for SMIC in 2024 given production yield challenges and material constraints. It remains unclear which chips Huawei used in its phone, a critical component for wireless connectivity. According to Weibo, first teardown video of the Mate 60 Pro is actually the Kirin chipset inside the Mate 60 Pro. The name was not mentioned, but it's true that it's the Kirin 9000S chipset. Analysts at Sanford C. Bernstein, including Mark Lai, said that teardowns suggest the speeds were accomplished with advanced packaging and other steps that could lead to extra power consumption. The chips may have higher costs than comparable silicon available outside of China, but Huawei may simply absorb the additional expenses, they wrote. Berenberg analysts said they believe top Chinese chipmaker Semiconductor Manufacturing International manufactured the radio chip based on 14-nanometer or more advanced technology. Huawei said the Mate 60 Pro is the most powerful Mate model ever, but declined to comment on the specifications of its processor or where and when it was made. Its interface, built on Huawei's in-house Harmony OS, omits mention of the wireless standard. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.